Hello, the Grace team. How are you guys doing? As for me, I am doing great and wonderful by the grace of God, because in the midst of all this pandemic, yes, God is still in control. Guys, just know it that God is in control. I have this marvelous and sweet recipe that I want to share with you today. We call sweet peas Petit Pois in my country, Petit Pois au gras. So that is the sweet peas I'm showing. I have chicken bouillon salt, chopped garlic, chopped onion, 3 habanero pepper. I have my ragu tomato there. That tomato have some parsley and some roasted onion and garlic in there. I have my boiled chicken that I'll go ahead and fry soon. Okay, guys, I have my blended spices there. I have onion, ginger, and anise seed there. Okay, no garlic, just ginger, anise seed and onion, gingembre, de l'anaïs et de l'oignon, and my oil. Okay, so to start, I have my pan. I'm adding now my oil. So to the oil, you don't need a lot of oil for this recipe, but first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and fry the chicken. So here I will start with the frying of my chicken, guys. There I can see my sweet and beautiful face in through through my pan, guys. So here you go. I have my boiled chicken here, and I will fry this until it gets brown and golden color. And after that, I will go ahead and I will separate this chicken from the oil. So while frying them, don't forget to flip them over often to avoid your chicken to be burned. Okay, guys. Yep. So after 7 minutes, as you can see, some of the chicken, the one that in the middle, are perfectly fried. Yeah, they were not all fried at the same time, because I don't have enough oil in the pan, which I don't want to. I don't want too much oil, so I just pour in a little bit purposely. Yeah, guys. So I will leave the rest in the oil until they are ready, and I'll move them from the oil and I'll proceed with the next step. Okay, so immediately I separate the chicken from the oil. I'm tossing in my chopped onion and chopped garlic, and I will keep on stirring them until they get soft and translucent. Okay, yep. So let's keep eyes on them until they get really soft, and I will go ahead and add my mixture of spices, the onion, ginger, and the anise seed. So yep. So ça c'est du mélange de l'oignon, du gingembre et de l'anaïs. Okay. So from there, I will let it fry for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then I will go ahead and add my tomato, sorry guys. Now I'm adding my tomato. Mix them together, and also let the tomato fry for a while. You want your tomato to be cooked. Okay guys, so let it fry, let it fry, let it fry. Okay, so if it's splashing, you can go ahead and cover it up. That's what I do sometimes. So as you can see, the tomato is pretty much frying and it's ready now. So I'm adding my chicken bouillon and my salt. Mix them again. So guys, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Share on your platforms, your Instagram, your Facebook, your WhatsApp. Okay, if you like this video, share. Don't forget to subscribe. So now I've added my chicken. Okay, and I will leave it fry well with the tomato to let the chicken and the tomato, both of them combine well, sucks each other flavor. Okay guys, and then I'll go ahead and add my sweet peas, mix it well, and then cover it up. Okay, so guys, what I was saying, when you push the red button that says subscribe, don't forget to click on the little bell aside of it. And now they have many options, like 3 options of the bell sign. Click on the all one, or so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so now why did I add the water? I added some water to let this simmer well with the tomato and the chicken absorb well and cooked well. Even though the sweet piece is like halfway cooked, you want, as African, we always want our food to be well cooked. Especially me, I like my food to be well cooked. Okay guys, so from here, if you want, you can cover it up. So cover it up and let it simmer about 5 to 10 minutes. So it depends on the sweet peas that you buy. Some of them like at 5 minutes will be already done. So it depends on the brand that you buy. So for me, it's not well cooked, so I'm not satisfied. So I go ahead and cover it up to help it boil well. Yeah, as you can see, well simmered and well cooked. Okay, now adding the 3 habanero peppers. So while I'm eating, I can squeeze that and have my spicy food, and at the same time my children and whoever who doesn't like spicy food can eat it, because from here I did not squeeze the habanero pepper yet. So I let it boil for about I would say boil or simmer about in total 12 minutes, and voila, that's it. Venez manger. Thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys next time.